Hello there. We've been building up to it for a few days now, but our heat wave has reached its peak today. Now, temperatures have actually dropped off a little bit compared with recent days across Spain and Portugal and France, up into the 30s here just recently. But already today, we've seen 34 degrees across parts of southeast England as this heat has pumped in our direction. At the same time, though, today, we've actually got quite a lot of cloud throwing its way in from the south. As we go through the rest of today, some of this cloud is going to start to produce some pretty heavy showers and even some thunderstorms in places. This is how things shape up for the rest of today. Across Northern Ireland, actually fairly bright and a little bit cooler here, 23 degrees, but expect temperatures up into the high 20s across many parts of Scotland, with the risk of some thunderstorms breaking out later on. Risk of some torrential downpours later across northwest England, some parts of northeast England up to 30 or 31 degrees, a little bit cooler across parts of the southwest, a bit murky around some coasts as well, but across the southeast, well, the maximum temperatures we're expecting today up to 34, 35, maybe 36 degrees. Now, through this evening and tonight, thunderstorms are really going to spring to life across northern England and Scotland. Some torrential downpours, maybe some localised flooding issues here. And by the end of the night, also some thundery downpours approaching the far south. These are the minimum temperatures overnight, perhaps not quite as oppressive as last night, but still no lower than around 21 degrees there in Norwich. Now, for tomorrow, two frontal systems that will affect our weather. This little front here pushing up from the south, that'll bring some thunderstorms. This cold front trying to swing in from the west will eventually sweep away some of the heat and humidity. So tomorrow then starts off with some thundery downpours pushing quite sporadically northwards, particularly across the southeast of the country. Further west, actually things will brighten up with some sunshine. Generally speaking, more cloud for tomorrow and lower temperatures as well, 20 to 26 degrees. By no means cold, but just a little bit fresher than it has been today. Now, Friday may start off with a slightly fresher feel, but then some more humidity pushes up from the south, with it the risk of some thunderstorms into the southwest later. And as I mentioned, the humidity and the heat building once again could get to 29 or 30 degrees across parts of the southeast. Into the weekend, it's a mixed affair. A very humid start on Saturday, a little bit cooler and fresher on Sunday, with the risk of some thunderstorms.